if we were lighting a fire for the first time, or when you're lighting a fire in yours for the first time, I wanted to go over with you what to do. Just got this new Masonry heater. It's extremely exciting. Cannot wait to get it burning and get it burning hot, right? Got to be a little bit careful at first. We want to make sure that we cure it properly. So we're actually going to start off with a really small fire, and we're going to make sure that we get our draw working properly. Okay, so we are going to open up the side of the heater down low. We're going to put some newspaper in there, and we are going to light that and the fire at the same time. What that's going to do is it's going to create the correct draw to make sure that we don't smoke out your house. We don't want that. The way that the heaters work is they're bringing air in from inside the home, unless you're vented outside, and we're burning the firebox. We're storing all the heat inside and sending it out the chimney. But because it has to make so many turns and twists, when there's moisture inside the heater and you first light it, sometimes that moisture can mess with the draw. So we want to make sure that we light these properly. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to light a fire. We are going to light our newspaper that's in our port down low, and then we're going to put that lid on, and by that lower fire it's going to just start drawing right out of the firebox. We are going to make sure that our flue is open first and our damper is open down on the bottom, just to make sure that we have the max amount of airflow. So we're going to build the first fire. Okay, we're going to build it log cabin style. Normally we light them from the top down, but because this is the first fire and it's a new heater, we are going to start at the bottom and work our way up. So we're going to put a little bit bigger pieces at the bottom, some newspaper. Because masonry heaters have so many twists and turns, when it's new or when it's the first fire of the year, we want to make sure that we get a little bit of draw immediately. One of the ways that you can accomplish that is pulling this out, putting some newspaper in here. I can feel that draw as soon as I put my hand in here. I can already feel it. I'm going to take this. You can see that draw immediately taking off up the chimney. I'm going to put this cap on, and now pretty quickly I am going to light the firebox, because right now we have a lot of draw going up the chimney because of that fire. Remember, make sure your flue and your damper are always open.